George and Casey are out there. And this is like a horror movie. Look.
We're not feeling good about this.
George?
Hey, just to confirm, I booked it.
Yay!
To Kona, right?
To Kona, yeah. Leave at 4:58
Okay.
and get in at 8:52.
Perfect.
Okay.
She's never been, you know?
No, I've never been to Hawaii.
She's never been to Hawaii. This is gonna be her first time to be on the islands.
Oh my God, it's unbelievable.
So guys, this is the most last minute vlog ever and most last minute trip ever. Casey was just here and we were filming a video and we were like, oh, we should like take spontaneous trip more often. We looked up flights and we saw there were so many cheap flights available to Hawaii. So we decided to do a last minute trip. My flight is at 4:18, so latest I need to leave in 30 minutes and I need to pack all of this. I need to check in the bag, so I really need to be on time. Okay, let's get ready. Whoa. Oh my god. Okay guys, I think I've never like packed. I've also never booked a trip this last minute and I've never like packed this fast. So two friends, other friends are gonna join. Tiana, Casey's girlfriend, and George, another friend. But they're taking a flight later. So Max took my luggage, my carry-on, so I had to take a big luggage. Good excuse, but I don't know if I can still check it in. I don't know if it's 1 hour or 45 minutes. I'm actually gonna look it up. 45 minutes. Then I should be fine, but we're cutting it close. Yay! I made it! So Casey had to run back home, quickly pack his own bag, and then he had to pack his girlfriend's bag. So, hey, are you here? I just dropped off my bag. I will wait here. Okay, see you. Hey Casey. Casey. I was trying to get your attention. Wipe your seat. Good morning. We arrived. Ta-da! We are in the island Kona, which I figured out last night. We just woke up. I just got ready. Put my bikini on. I got this like really cute yellow bikini from Frankie's Bikini. Love it. Today we're gonna go on a little adventure because I think in the morning we're gonna go to a couple beaches. It's like 8:30 a.m. So we're gonna head out. We're gonna grab some breakfast. I believe acai. Then we're gonna go to a couple beaches. Then we're gonna drive around. We rented like a Jeep, which is gonna be really cool because Casey wants to shoot some content for them. And then we're gonna go to the mountains. I had to bring some warm stuff. So that is it for today. It's so pretty here. We arrived when it was dark last night. So George,
Yeah.
2 hours in Kona, what do we think?
So far it's amazing. It's super early, but it feels like it's
Feels late, right?
yeah, good jet lag.
I was like, oh, we won't feel jet lag, but it's 8:50 and it feels like it's 11, 10, 11. Amazing. We're
Rested.
here at, what is this place? Hugo's? Hugo's, and we're gonna grab some breakfast, but look at this view, guys. Look, on the camera it looks pinkish, but in real life...
Oh yeah, it is kind of fluffy, right?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh, that's great.
Look at this, guys. How excited for breakfast are you? This looks so cute.
Yeah.
So good. The flower and the view. Here, give the towels to me. It's so strange. It goes from like cloudy to sunny to cloudy to sunny. Non-stop, yeah. We just went to the Four Seasons for a drink at 11 a.m. And now we're gonna go for a swim. So pretty. Oh, we're gonna drive up there. We see a mountain there, which we're gonna not climb. We're gonna drive up there. Lazy. Right there. This is something where I definitely would hurt myself.
Yeah.
There we go.
Oh my gosh.
It's starting to rain a bit, yeah. Actually even, yeah, it rains. It's raining. Ah!
Hey Sanne, is it cold? It's perfect?
At one point this black shadow just like swims into me and I was just like screaming. It was like
It was cool? You saw it? You saw the turtle? Okay.
oh, turtle.
Okay. Is that your vantage point for the turtles?
Enough wildlife here in Hawaii.
Yeah, there's so much of it. There it is, right here.
Oh.
Are you guys scared?
No, now I'm not anymore.
Okay.
I was just scared the first time when
she
he
actually
was
saw her turtle. Oh, that's awesome. So we're leaving and we're going to a valley and waterfalls.
Waterfalls
And then volcanoes.
Okay guys, we just arrived at the steepest, is this the steepest road of the US?
US.
Wow, this is awesome. What? Look at this.
Look how beautiful it is in there. And there's a waterfall.
That is pretty though.
All the way to the end.
Why does it smell so bad here? We found the waterfall.
Yeah.
So we had a little tour. It was so windy and rainy. And now we're just gonna stop for some lunch. This place is called Fish and the Hog.
Fish and a hog.
The Fish and the Hog. Oh my god, we waited for 40 minutes. We really need to hurry up to watch the sunset. So we got all our stuff to go. Let's see what we got here. To go fish tacos. What do you have?
I got rice.
Rice. And what do you got in there?
I got a fish sandwich.
What is a fish sandwich?
Oh.
You know that actually really changed since I moved to California.
Well.
I think I ate last year maybe 2 tacos in my life. No?
Good.
Tacos every week. Oh my god guys! We're above the clouds, the whitest cloud. And it's super cold, close the window. We had a little stop so we got some hot chocolate.
I'm so
Have you
ready
drive
for this.
You drove a Jeep before?
Well, no, but
Casey's setting up the drone. Okay guys, this is the latest update. It's dark right now. Right before sunset, we didn't even make it up the mountain because we lost Casey's drone. There was so much wind that it drops in the middle of the bush and we couldn't find it. So we spent an hour like walking around guessing where it was, and it's huge here. And then T was so smart to find a YouTube video on how to find it with GPS, like coordination. So now it's dark. George and Casey are out there and this is like a horror movie. Look.
we're not feeling good about this.
Guys, look at this. It's literally, it's so dark. We're just waiting for, I'm actually really worried about them. They're literally on top of like a mountain right now, trying to find the drone in the bush. And there's stones everywhere, so it's not really an easy walk around here.
Okay.
Guys, this is literally a horror movie and this is where it starts, right? We're trapped in the car and then they're making decisions which you should never make. Good morning guys! Today we're celebrating my birthday. I just decided. No, so my birthday is on Tuesday and honestly over the last few years I haven't really celebrated because I was always traveling in a plane or working. Casey ordered already
Birthday mimosas.
birthday mimosas. Yay! And we also switched to the new hotel and now I feel I really arrived in Hawaii. It's really, really pretty here. I also got a lot of inspiration. They made everything with wood for my new apartment. So here there's like breakfast. Over here is like an amazing pool. Look at this. Yummy. That is it. Boomerang.
Happy birthday, son.
Oh, happy
Yay!
birthday.
Thank you. That actually does really taste good. So today's plan is just to chill out. We're gonna sit at the beach, get a tan. That's what we're gonna do. So now we're finally on Hawaii chill modus. Our first jump in the pool. I got you a hair tie. We had kind of a rough day driving through volcanoes and like being freaking cold, and we arrived at the resort and Tiana is like, Sanne, now we arrived in real Hawaii at the resort. No, we wanted to swim in the sea actually, but there were too many stones, so water. Guys, we're allowed, it's my birthday. I actually need to put some sunscreen on. So, oh, it's such a big mess in my bag. These two are my favorite ones. This one I use for my face, and this one I use for my body because it feels super light, but it's actually really good. I also got this super cute bikini from Onya. Sunset hour. We're like hanging out in the pool. I made a bet with George because there were so many clouds this afternoon. It was gonna be golden hour, yes or no, and it is. George and I are on a little tour. Well, T and
really
Casey
great golden hour, by the way.
Are not.
Amazing golden hour.
But it's like a tiny bit golden
Yeah.
hour.
Yeah.
We're gonna try.
Might be the best one I've ever seen.
Yeah, we're gonna try to make a picture, but
Windy.
it's also super windy. I hope you guys can hear me. So George and I took some pictures. Look at this building. It's so big. Look how pretty this is, guys. So that was sunset. Look at this. So we took some pictures. I took some pictures of George, and I totally lost our bet because I said there was not going to be a golden hour because of the clouds, but it was pretty nice. I'm gonna get George an airborne dinner.
I think that's a good deal.
Well, that was so fun. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my Hawaii vlog. It was a little bit all over the place because our schedule was like really all over the place. I think we had like the 2 craziest days ever. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. And we'll see you guys very soon.